Are you ready to take your nursing career to the next level and secure a high-paying job in the healthcare industry? In today's video, we're diving into the topic highest-paying nursing jobs in the year 2025. So whether you're just starting or hoping to specialize, these roles provide you with an idea on what to do. Stay tuned as we explore each roles, its salaries, and the benefits of being in those roles. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Nostine. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and also turn on the notification button for more healthcare related content. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about highest paying nursing jobs. Wow. I know you're so curious to know those jobs because I am immediately after this video, I am going to sign in for the most paying job amongst them all. So today we're going to be talking about those highest paying jobs, and I believe it's going to help you in advancing, and to those who are still thinking of joining the nursing career, it's going to motivate you into taking that bold step into nursing, knowing that with nursing you can make a lot of money. With nursing, it can also be so lucrative, so you don't have to be fixed to a particular level. So today I'm going to be starting from the highest paying to the least on my list. So the first on my list, I'm going to be talking about the CRNA, which is the Certified Registered Nurse Anesthetist. So first of all, I know you'd like to understand, you'd like to know who these nurse anesthetists are. Now, when you go into the theater, we have lots of specialties that come into the theater during surgeries. We have your surgeons. We also have the nurse anesthetists. Now, their function is to administer anesthesia to patients that will be undergoing any form of surgery. Not just that they administer those anesthesia, they also monitor those patients before the surgery, during the surgery, and after the surgery to make sure that those patients recover fully from the effects of those anesthesia. And also they are always there on ground to make sure that those patients don't have any complications, like they're always on alert to make sure that the effects of this anesthesia does not wear out completely during the process of this surgery. So they are on ground whenever surgeries are going on. So the average salary of this CRNA is between the range of $200,000 yearly. Can you imagine how high this salary is? I know you would like to do that because I am definitely signing in for this specialty after this video. So the next specialty on my list is the general nurse practitioner. You also call them NP. Now, I'm aware that a lot of people don't know that nurses, the job of nurses is also has something also to do with diagnosing of illnesses, treatment, and so forth. Now, these particular people, they can diagnose a particular disease. Like they can say, okay, this is what is wrong with you, and then they can administer treatment. They can also conduct physical examinations and other diagnostic tests. So these people are just like, they work in hand with the doctors. They almost do the same thing as doctors, but you know, there will always be limitations to everything. So just note that nurse practitioners here, they can administer drugs, they can diagnose illnesses, they can conduct tests and examinations, and they can also order for certain diagnostic examinations. Now, their salary range is between $120,000 to $150,000 per year. I know it sounds so interesting, but I'm still sticking to my anesthetist. Thank you. Okay, guys, the next on my list is psychiatric mental health nurse practitioner. Now, from that word psychiatric, we already know that it has something to do with mental health conditions. Let's say someone having a mental health breakdown or something like that. So these nurses, they specialize in diagnosing these mental health conditions, treating these patients, educating both those patients and their patients' relatives on things to do to prevent them from relapsing to certain mental health conditions which they were earlier diagnosed of, or even preventing people from having issues that are mental health related. Now, these nurses earn over $130,000. Isn't it amazing? I have a lot of mental health nurses as friends, and I must tell you that they are doing pretty well. It's not an easy job, but eye on the goal. So the next on my list is certified nurse midwife. From that word midwifery, midwives, you already know what we're talking about. When you hear midwives, just know that the next thing that will come to your mind are pregnant women, delivery of babies, and all those stuff. So these ones, they specialize in everything that has to do with woman, process of delivery, childbirth. So these nurse midwives, they provide prenatal care, childbirth, and postnatal care. Now, they also assist the family and those pregnant women in family planning and also through their pregnancy. They also deliver babies and handle emergencies that can occur in child delivery or labor. Now, the salary range is between $100,000 to $130,000. I know you're excited about this offer per year. So grab this opportunity now. Don't miss out. So the next on my list is the pediatric nurse. Now, when we hear pediatrics, we're talking about children, we're talking about infants, we're talking about adolescents. So these particular nurses, they specialize in providing care to people of this range. They also diagnose and treat pediatric illnesses. Now we're looking at an average salary of $110,000 yearly for pediatric nurses. Isn't this offer amazing? So the next specialty on my list is oncology nurses. Oncology has to do with cancer care. These oncology nurses, what they do is they help these patients that are having issues, that are having cancer illnesses or disease. They help them, they take good care of them, they provide emotional support to their families, they collaborate with other oncologists to make sure that those patients are given good and whole care. Now, these people are not just, they are warriors. In fact, those oncology nurses, they are warriors because at this point, they always experience they always witness those patients passing through pains and all those stuff. So at each point, they are trying to make sure that their patients do not suffer from pain. How much do you think these nurses earn? Oncology nurses can earn an average salary of $110,000 to $140,000. It's not really an easy task, but it is worth it. Realizing that most times you give these people, you encourage those patients that are passing through pain and help them in alleviating those pain. So if you're interested in earning between $110,000 to $140,000, head towards oncology nursing. So the next specialty and the last specialty on my list for today is the NICU, which is the neonatal intensive care unit. They have to do with premature infants, those of them with congenital disabilities, or even those that are critically ill. NICU nurses provide life-saving care to those newborn, those infant babies, and they also provide emotional support to the families of this newborn, because times like this can be really challenging for the relatives of these newborn babies. So the average salary for an NICU nurse is between $80,000 to $120,000 of salary per year. Doesn't this sound amazing? In summary, as you can see, nursing job is a very lucrative job. You just have to make effort towards growth in each field. With this video, I believe that you have an insight of what you're expected to see and the benefits of each of this specialty. And this is going to guide you towards making your decision on which specialty you will advance in, which role you're going to end up specializing in. There are lots of other specialties that I couldn't mention in this video, ranging from accident and emergency nurses. We have the urology, or you can also call it renal nurses. We have a lot of them. We have research nurses. We have travel nurses. Now it's left for you to make your research and know and make your decision on which particular field you would like to specialize in. So if you found this video informative and educative, please do well to like, share, subscribe, and turn on the notification button for more health related content. See you all in my next video.